Hello everyone, my name is Anshul Goel. I did my BTech in Mechanical Engineering from BITS Pilani. When I was in college, I was not much focused on the studies part. During the final year, I came to know about engineering services and GATE. I always wanted to do the job in the core sector. And then मुझे पता लगा कि if I wanted the job in this area, I have to crack these competitive exams. Then I searched over the internet and I came to know about MedEasy. So, after completing my BTech in May 2018, I took admission in MedEasy classroom program. After taking admission over here, I literally came to know about the syllabus. Before that, honestly, I did not even know about the exact syllabus for GATE and ESC. So, I started preparing for the exam, going to coaching, and did all the other activities that other students were doing. But as the exam approached, I also felt the pressure like most of the students. There was a time I really thought like giving up because I had never studied so much in college or before that. But I kept on going with the consistent guidance and support of my family and MedEasy faculties. Not only studies, there were a lot of things that I learned here. Before coming here, I used to think, how is it even possible to study for 10 to 12 hours a day? मतलब कॉलेज में सबकी आदत बिगड़ जाती है, वही लास्ट डेज में एग्ज़ाम से पहले पढ़ना एंड पेपर देकर सब भूल जाना. But competition में we have to study on the daily basis. So that was really difficult. But after taking admission in MedEasy and interacting with the faculties over here, I got really inspired. Most of the faculties, especially SM Krishna sir, who taught us strength of material, I looked at them and I wondered if they can stand and teach continuously, delivering lectures with so much energy and efficiency, तो हमें तो बस बैठ के पढ़ना है यार. तो मैंने सोचा it's very easy if I just make up my mind. The teachers here are really an inspiration for me. So that really kept me going. Apart from the classroom, I got immensely benefited from the test series of MedEasy. In the initial test that I gave online, I just observed how to use the virtual calculator, what the exam pattern is, and how the environment is. So I made my whole strategy according to that. Like I would like to give an example. Like what happens is there is no clock in the GATE exam, but there is a timer instead. So timer में क्या होता है ना कि टाइम उल्टा चलता है, तो मैंने उसी के अकॉर्डिंग अपनी सारी स्ट्रेटेजी बनाई, so that I need not calculate how much time is over and how am I performing currently in the exam. For example, I targeted कि यार जब तक टाइमर में 160 मिनट्स आएँ, मेरा एप्टीट्यूड प्लस इंग्लिश पार्ट ख़त्म हो जाना चाहिए, बिकॉज आई टारगेटेड कि मैं उन 10 क्वेश्चंस को मैक्सिमम 20 मिनट्स दूंगा in the first go. So I tried to give every test like that, and I was successful in doing the same in the final exam. Even I completed my final GATE exam 35 minutes before the time. There is one thing that I would like to advise to all of the students who are currently in coaching and who will be going to prepare next year. It is the importance of sleep. I have seen a lot of students in coaching who used to sleep 4 to 5 hours a day in order to practice more questions. But according to my opinion, the sleep is equally important as your studies. If you are not sleeping 7 hours daily, you cannot give 100% concentration in the class, and there will definitely be some things that you will miss in the class. And the teachers here in MedEasy are so professional and concise that you cannot take a chance to even miss a single word. So I would like to advise all of you, keep on focusing on your studies, give your best, devote whole time that's possible, but do not compromise with your sleep and food. I remember theory of machines faculty Kakkar sir in the class used to say कि बेटा लाइफ में सबसे पहले आपकी हेल्थ आती है, देन योर पेरेंट्स, और अगर ये ठीक रहा तो एग्ज़ाम तो क्रैक हो ही जाएगा. I would also like to share my experience of my last time preparation, because I think that will help most of the students preparing for ESC and GATE both. Actually, I had not done GATE previous year questions even once before the ESC prelims exam in January. I felt some pressure because there was only 1 month left for the final exam. So next day of ESC prelims exam in January, I counted the number of questions of previous year provided in the MedEasy booklet. I remember the exact figure. It was 2450 questions and only 25 days were left for the GATE exam. Then I decided कि यार अब तो I have to do 130 questions daily. So I started from the subjects that I am already good at. And because of this, I was able to do around 200 questions a day. That really gave me the confidence, and due to that, I ended up doing all the questions in about 15 days. and I was left with 10 to 15 days still in hand. So after that, I gave the full syllabus mock test of Made Easy online test series that helped me looking out for the zones that still need more practice. And most importantly, the test series helped me to manage the time. So I would advise all the students to keep on giving the test so that you can analyze your performance. In the end, I would like to give the credit of my success to my parents who always motivated me and trusted me, my younger brother who helped me a lot during my preparation, Made Easy faculties who will always be an inspiration for me, and my friends who helped me to keep motivated. Thank you.